In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Antigravity unexpected issue setting up your account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you see in this error, this is basically Google Antigravity is a hidden Easter egg inside of Google. So this is originally created by Mr. Doob. So issues are usually browser related. So there's a few different fixes what we can try. So fix number one is to clear browser cache and cookies. So to do this, I'm in Google Chrome. I want to click on the three dots, click into settings. Now on the left hand side, we've got privacy and security tab. Tap onto that. To the right of that, click on delete cookies, cache and more. And then under delete browsing data, click on more, make sure that is set to all time. We can uncheck browsing history, just make sure cookies and other site data is checked, cached images and files, and click on see more, make sure nothing else is selected, then go ahead and click on delete data. Then restart your browser and try again. Now, next fix is to disable extensions. So to do this, click on your extensions, click on to manage extensions, and go ahead and disable all of your extensions inside of here and try it again. If it works, that means you've got an extension issue. So go back and enable these extensions one by one to see which one is the culprit. Now, next fix is to go ahead and try incognito mode. So click on the three dots, click on new incognito mode and see if it works there. Now, as a last resort, we can go ahead and try a different browser. So if you got Brave, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, just try any one of those browsers. If it works, that means this is a browser related issue. So we need to delve a bit deeper inside of that browser you're trying to make it work on.